Okay, I've got no chair.
And no hair.
Alright, welcome to Doogie's All Australian 4x4 Outback Off-Road 4-Wheel Drive Ventures. We're here at Jervis Bay, at the Jervis Bay Caravan Park. I don't have a chair or hair, and we set up our campsite. We've got these two RV5s pointing towards each other, which is good. So we're going to go fishing a bit later on. I think it's going to be pretty exciting. We're here for 2 nights. When you're in the wild like this...
Oh, Jesus Christ!
We're going to fishing! When you're in the wild... Oh! There's a pelican down there, pretty nice. So we're going to go down the river about 1 kilometre, and it should take us into Jervis Bay. We're going to head out maybe towards the heads. It's quite flat, so we might head out there and see how we go. Trevor's just putting the car away, and we should be off fishing in about another 10 minutes or so. So it's going to be pretty exciting, so stay tuned. Don't turn off the old YouTube, subscribe down below. You know you want to. There's going to be primo fishing. We've got an esky down here that's full of beer at the moment, but we're going to make sure that it's full of fish when we get back. Stay tuned for our fishy adventures. Cut out in here, it looks pretty cool, very rocky, so we might drop anchor here and have a bit of a fish and see what we come up with. The swell's not too bad. We've probably got about a 2-foot swell, 3-foot swell here, not too bad, and I reckon we're going to catch us some decent fish here on Doogie's All Australian 4x4 Off-Road Outback 4-Wheel Drive, offshore, onshore, on boat, sometimes 2-wheel drive in New Zealand fishing adventures.
It's next to you there.
Oh! Oh, you got her out of the water. Oh, there she is. Oh, far out. Oh, she's a big one. This is why.
It's only just a touch bigger than your bait.
Get the old fucking handy pliers out, Trev. When you're in the wild, it's always good to have a handy pair of pliers when you catch a fish. You know what this means? There's fish down there. Hey, 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 I'm letting you go, mate. I'm letting you go. I'm letting you go. Because you know what? You've had a tough enough day as it is. After you go, little guy. Didn't give him the customary job. I'm going to throw this one back. F***ing ugly as hell. Or maybe it's not, but I'm still going to throw it back out. It looks scary. Do you need the net?
I think I need the net.
Gotta get the net. Well, there you go first. Wow, that's a decent one. That's a fucking fish. Sweet Jesus. Hang on. I'll put this back down here. Okay.
Here it is, here it is, here it is.
Hang on. Your fucking net is a piece of shit. Hey, can you get it?
It's a bream. It's a bream.
Oh, that's not a bream. Is it? No.
Is it?
Don't know. Is it a bream? I don't know.
What is it?
I don't know the species.
What is it? Take a photo.
I'll get your
That's a decent one. The way he goes. What do you reckon that was?
Undersized. Are you on?
Oh, yeah, nothing big though.
Hey, you got the same fish again.
She's smaller.
But it's the same sort. What's that?
Yeah. It is a,
right through the eyeball.
It's definitely a fish.
You on this?
Oh, I got one, mate. Got him. Sweet. Another one.
When you're in the wild, it's important to catch fish. Looks like I've got a small one on here at the moment. Could be a flatty, although it's got a bit of a constant pull, so I think it's probably like shark or something. Oh, that's, now we're cooking. Hey, now we're looking. She's only a small, I think this one's probably about 30 centimetres. fighting. Definitely got some fight in her. This old girl, hey? Have a look. Oh, she's small. What have we got here? What have we got? Sorry, how far down was I? Jeez. Oh no. Fighting all the way up. Ooh. Looks like a bigger. This might be a keeper. You can put that on the water, you know.
Yeah, no, I didn't know that.
Oh shit, this one's got some fight. Oh, no wonder. This one's fucking moving.
Yeah, drag's not one.
Yeah, you gotta take the drag off. When you're trying to catch a fish, it's important. Wait, yeah, now we got some fight. Oh no. There's 2 fish. No wonder I felt like I got a bit of pull. Check this out. Hey! Oh! And no wonder. Hey, those are keepers. It's 2 at 1.
Take the net.
Hey, eat a my finger. Oh,
Take the net.
Oh, okay.
Take the net.
Fucking hell. So I caught 2 fish at once. Fucking hell, I'm jealous. Alright, which one am I going to release first? Oh, I just sat on my knife. Oh, Jesus. Alright, you. I'll get you off first. Oh, well, I don't just had you by the lip. Well, that's a bit bad for you. And you swallowed the whole bloody hook, you silly bastard.
Oh, yeah, you have to fill them and everything. Not a hell of a lot of meat. But I didn't know what it is.
Shit. Oh.
You meant to throw them in the water. There's one over there.
Oh, is it? Oh, fishy. Too slippery. Have we got a clock?
Just pick him up.
I can't. I'm slippery. Fish. Hell. There you go. When catching one fish isn't enough, you got to catch 2. Come on again. Starting a little bit tired of catching these smaller fish. This one seems to be quite a small one as well. I think it might be a flathead. Doesn't seem to have the same kick as those other couple of fish. Oh, I must have lost it. Stop the camera, Trevor. Got something this time. Oh, I don't know, probably about the same size as the other ones we caught, but she's a fighter. I'll stand up, but I never fall in the water because I'm a bit retarded. Oh, there you go. She's coming. You want to put that? Oh, yeah, she's got to fight. I think this one's probably going to be a keeper. Did you want to?
But we'll check the size.
Oh, she's a snapper. Did you film it? There,
Yeah,
here's this. Got a snapper this time. You beauty. Okay, it's on the back here. Is she of capable size?
No, this is just scientific information.
Oh shit, just swallowed the hook. It's too far in.
There's a ruler on the side.
From tail to tip?
Yeah.
She's right on.
She's right on. We'll chuck her back up.
Yeah,
chuck
it's
her
not
back.
really big enough, just under. Catch release, mate. Catch and release.
Did you get the hook back?
Yep. Alright, little man. You're free to go back. You've got a bit of a wrecked face, don't you? Hey? Yeah. You're alright. You're going back, mate. Don't worry. It's your lucky day. And mine as well, to be honest with you. Okay. Well done. There's another one in the bag. We're going to head back closer to shore now and see if we can catch something a little bit bigger. These ones are good for practice, but we really need to start to get the party started. So, see what happens next.
Yeah.
What happened?
I was holding on like that, and then when we got airborne and come down, I put on my weight on the.
Ah,
Yeah.
you got to be fast.
Oh, I don't think I was too fast, dude.
A little bit fast. Got airborne, so.
To my face now. No, seriously, it's salt water.
back. We didn't have any success at the last place, so we're gonna head back to the campsite and then clean up and go for dinner. I'm in trouble. Drone returned to home. It's going back to the dock. I've been flying it to get some footage, and now it's going back. We're about a kilometre away. It's going to land in the water. The drone went back home, and I went to land where it was took off from, but I landed in the water. So we're on our way back now to have a look at it, see if we can find the drone. I don't think it's going to be salvageable. We'll see, but I think it's stuffed. So lost the drone, went into the water. But that's okay. The battery caught on fire and it started smoking. But someone who was fishing on the dock actually got a net and be able to catch a drone for the day.
You should have a camera on board.
I got it. I got one here.
Oh,
yeah.
Well, I tell you what, it's stuffed. And we're now going to go back out and go fishing and try and enjoy ourselves. Trevor's pretty bloody happy about it.
See, the thing, we went fishing this morning, and he dropped his fishing rod and reel over the side.
I'm not so happy about it. Yeah, stupid decisions. You know, these things happen. You know, you haven't done anything too stupid. It just happens. Alright, well, love you, Julia.